Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today I'm very excited. I have a little drop from me and Guy. Hello ladies and welcome. Okay, it's a fabulous week already. We had an amazing day on Monday. We're so excited to have no one in the boutique. Yesterday we did the style video, but today I have something different. I have all linen pieces from me and Guy, made in Italy. This is a wonderful line that is designed by a woman that lives in BC. We've worked with her for many years now. I just think it's great pieces. They're fun pieces, nice price point. They're beautiful cuts. So I'm gonna go through with some new ones. You're gonna be so excited because we always do the polka dot dresses every year, ladies, the balloon polka dot. And last year they did the little shorties. We do have a box of those on their way, well, coming in the next shipment, but so far this is what we've received from our lovely Anna. Okay, so I have two pieces on here. I'm gonna take it off and show you the dress. The dress is unbelievable, ladies. This is a new cut for them at me and Guy, but I just wanted to show you this new little boxy cardigan in linen. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's got one little wood button here, two cute pockets, nice 3/4 sleeves here, drop shoulder. It does come in black. I was very tempted, ladies, to put on the black, but I thought with this black dress, the white would pop so beautifully. And I was really excited about this jewelry. We just got these in. We do get items in often, ladies, that we just put live on the website because sometimes we don't have enough to do an unboxing. So always check out in the new arrived section because we always have some new goodies coming. So these are some new Ziska earrings and paired it up with this gorgeous emotion bracelet. Like, it's so stunning and what a statement piece. And then I paired it up with the bliss bead that matches the earrings and then just the white one to complement it. I chose the charcoal cord to contrast the outfit and it feels amazing. This dress is very flowy and beautiful. All right, ladies, so the little cardies come in size small to extra large. So that's a nice boxy fit there. And this is the beautiful dress. It is 50% silk and 50% viscose. Absolutely beautiful. It is lined here, so you can see this is the viscose part there. And then there's the silk over top. And look at how beautiful that flows. V-neck, which is awesome for a lot of ladies. Love the V, especially for the summertime. I find it very feminine and fresh. So nice armholes here. This is a size small. It fits nice and roomy. And it gives a nice flow, which will be great for the hot weather, so it's not sticking to you. And then you can layer it up how you like to. The cardigan is wonderful, but you could also pick a scarf. You know how me and my mom love our Love's Pure Light scarves and just accessorize in general. It's one of our favorites. There you go. How beautiful is that? And then of course you can do a little cover if you're in a restaurant in the air conditioning, and it's just wonderful. So these are size small to extra large, and again, very roomy, ladies, and there's lots of stretch underneath there. Okay, I'm gonna show you the next dress and I'll be right back. All right, ladies, I am back in this beauty here. Look at this contrast in stripes. Absolutely love it. It fits like a glove. It is a 100% linen navy with the white stripe pockets, which is wonderful. And again, another nice little subtle V-neck. I've chosen to do a nice long drop on it just to elongate the outfit. And I found this little treasure piece over in the corner there. And this is Talus, a beautiful sterling silver bracelet. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's very substantial and beautiful. Love it. I love the simplicity of the silver. And I don't know if you've noticed, ladies, but look at, I have found two. I went through my pile of bracelets that are sitting in my little cupboard in my closet, and I found my two favorite, and last week I put them back on just to see how my hand would feel, and it feels pretty good. So I think this is it. And Ruby even said, she was like, Mom, you need something. Like, you can't go from all that to nothing. So it feels nice to have a few little pieces here. Very exciting. Ladies, I chose the Merck's little ball earrings. I thought they were very dainty and picked up the jewelry perfectly. So I'm gonna give you a little twirl here in this beautiful dress. So in this little capsule that we just got, there's 4 dresses. I've shown you 2. I'm gonna show you 2 more. But I just wanted to let you know about the sizing, ladies. This is extra small, so you can see how it fits. Fits very nice. It's got some room for my hips, which I like, but it's a little bit straighter fit, which a lot of ladies love instead of all the balloony stuff that we gravitate to. I'm gonna put on dress number 3. We'll be right back. All right, ladies, I'm back, and look at this beauty, all polka dots with stripes. Me and Lucia's favorite. Look at how cute this is as well in the back. Again, a little tailored, which is really nice for the boutique, because like I said, a lot of our things here are flowy, which we love, but it's sometimes nice to have something a little more fitted. This is a size small, so you can see how it fits. Pockets here, nice little rib knit band here. Little tiny cap sleeve that comes over, 100% linen, and it's so cute. I just love it. So I've paired it up with some Ziska here. I love the foil Ziska. This is like the metallic silver foils. We have them in gold and in the silver. And then I did these two cuties to give a little bling bling from Siriglio. All right, ladies, so I was just thinking about where I would wear this dress, and my mom's 75th birthday is coming up, and we are having a party for her, so I think this would be pretty fun to wear. Beautiful. The weather has been, you know, slightly on and off, but the on days are absolutely beautiful. Perfect time to wear this beautiful linen. So exciting. So last but not least, ladies, you can see the dress right here. I'm going to throw it on for you just so you can see how it falls, but absolutely beautiful. A shirt dress. We love our shirt dresses. You know, Lucia loves to pop the collar. It's a beautiful color. This is the mocha color for the season for me and Guy. I'm going to style it up a little bit differently than the scarf. I'll be right back. All right, ladies, and here we go. Like I said, last but not least, but look at this beauty. It's so gorgeous. Like, I'm wearing it almost like a little bit of a light jacket. So I just have a few buttons done up here. I have our wonderful tank dress on from Lousje Bean. And the key to our tank dress, ladies, is the little tie at the back. How great is that? The little pop. We love the little subtle details like that, and that's how we always think with our designing. Simplistic, simple, wonderful, great fabrics. Of course, as you know, we are so high on our fabrics. It's so important to feel good and look good, but also to be able to wash it and wear it. And they last you so long, lifetime, I say, but it's great to have pieces in your wardrobe that can transition through the waves of all the trends. And this is definitely one of those keepers. So 100% linen, beautiful. This is a size small, nice little slit here, which we love. 3/4 sleeve. Will be beautiful for the summer. I have a picture here, ladies, of me just wearing it on its own. Also a great look. I paired it up with this Ziska here. Loving this crackled silver. I'm so drawn to it. The earrings are so beautiful, but I thought I'd pop it with the red. So how cool is that with the bracelet and the necklace? You can have the necklace long as well, but I decided to put it up nice and short. I think that's really cute in this neckline here. All right, ladies, well, there you go. There is our drop for our me and Guy, our first shipment, and we hope you enjoyed the pieces. If you have any questions, please let us know. As always, hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and watch out for tomorrow. I have a new drop from a beautiful jewelry line that has just landed in the boutique from Turkey. And as Lucia always says, keep on smiling.